Hello, my dear students. Lecture number 4 for CBSE Board. Chapter number 12 Areas related to circles. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some examples from exercise 12.2, question number 5. Given in a circle with center O, arc AXB subtends an angle 60 with 60 at the center of circle theta, that is theta is equal to 60 degree. Radius of circle is equal to 21 centimeter. Find length of an arc. Okay, so length of an arc is equal to theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. So length L is equal to 60 upon 360 into 2 into 22 upon 7 into 21. If you simplify this, you will get 22 centimeters. So therefore length of an arc is equal to 22 centimeter. Okay. Area of sector is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. So area of sector O dash AXB is equal to 60 upon 360 into 22 upon 7 into 21 into 21. If you simplify this, you will get 11 into 21, and that is equal to, so therefore area of sector is equal to 231 centimeters square. Now in triangle AOB, so triangle AOB, this angle is equal to 60. This angle and this angle is equal. So this plus this plus this. If you simplify 180, if you simplify this, you will get this angle is equal to 60 and this angle is also equal to 60, and therefore this is an equilateral triangle. So in triangle ABO, angle AOB is equal to 60 degree and AO is equal to BO, radii of same circle, and therefore triangle ABO is equilateral triangle, and therefore area of triangle ABO is equal to root 3 upon 4 side square is equal to root 3 upon 4 into 21 upon into 21. So if you simplify this, you will get 441 root 3 upon 4 cm square, and hence area of segment is equal to area of sector minus area of triangle is equal to 231 minus 441 into root 3 upon 4 cm square. Okay. Question number 6. A chord of a circle of radius 15 cm subtends an angle of 60 at the center. Find the areas of the corresponding minor and major segments of the circle. Solution. Given r is equal to 15 cm, theta is equal to 60 degree, pi is equal to 3.14, and root 3 is equal to 1.73 given. Okay. So this is a circle with center O. This is AXB is a OAXB is sector. Radius is equal to 15 centimeter given. Area of sector is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. So area of sector O dash AXB is equal to 60 upon 360 into 3.14 into 15 into 15. If you simplify this, you will get 1.57 into 75. Multiply this. This is equal to 117.75 cm square. Okay. Now in triangle AOB, AOB, angle AOB is equal to 60 degree and side AO is equal to side BO, radii of same circle, and therefore this triangle is equilateral triangle, and therefore area of this triangle is equal to root 3 upon 4 into side square. So 1.73 upon 4 into 15 into 15. If you simplify this, you will get 97.3125 cm square. And therefore area of minus segment is equal to area of sector minus area of triangle is equal to 117.75 minus 97.3125 is equal to 20.4375 cm square. Now area of circle is equal to pi r square, so is equal to 3.14 into 15 into 15 is equal to 706.5 cm square. Now area of major segment is equal to area of circle minus area of minus segment, and therefore 706.5 minus 20.4375 gives you 686.0625 cm square. Okay. Question number 7. A chord of a circle of radius 12 cm subtends an angle of 120 at the center. Find the area of corresponding segment of circle. Okay, so find the area of this segment. Area of sector is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. So area is equal to 120 upon 360 into 3.14 into 12 into 12. If you simplify this, you will get 3.14 into 12 into 4. Multiply this, you will get 150.72 cm square. In triangle AOAB, side OA is equal to OB. So triangle OAB is an isosceles triangle, and therefore angle A is equal to angle B is equal to 30 degree. So this is 120. So this plus this is equal to 60, and this angle is equal. Therefore this angle is 30 degree. This angle is also 30 degree. Draw perpendicular OP on side AB, and therefore triangle APB APO is 30 60 90, and therefore OP is equal to 1 upon 2 hypo, that is 6 centimeter, and AP is equal to root 3 upon 2 into 12, that is 6 root 3, and hence AB is equal to, so you know the property, this is a chord perpendicular drawn on chord from the center, bisect the chord. So AP is equal to 6 root 3, and therefore AB is equal to twice AP. So AB is equal to 12 root 3 centimeter. Okay. Now it is enough today. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear student, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comments if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.